It's Hoodrich Radio, you better not change the station. It's Gucci man, Lil Fleur, they say I changed the nation. I'm a trapper / rapper, yeah, that's my occupation. And I don't carry chump change, all I do is carry faces. I'm an athlete, I ball, I think I'm Dominique. Prime time like Dion, I make them kiss my cleats. I brought you juice, I brought you flock, now who's the next to blow? I'm so bold, Chris, so Texaco, so Gresham Road.
I'm so fucking turned up with this hood bitch. Diamonds on my neck and wrist, call it hood rich. But on some hood shit, I fought with the real niggas. In the trap with the 20s and the drug dealers. I'm so fucking turned up with this hood
DJ Spring,
Diamonds on my neck and wrist, call it hood rich. But on some hood shit, I fought with the real
MMG
at GucciMane3D.com.
Have a party all over your body if you let me. Girl, don't act like you don't know. Do that shit that you be practicing at home all alone. You just down to half a bottle of Patron on your own. Oh, you gone, yeah, you gone. It's okay, cause you grown. Take it low as it goes. Never mind all these other people. Baby, you the best. I'm gonna throw all this money till I ain't got nothing left. Take your time with me, baby. I want all that I could get. All of this is yours, but I just got one request. Shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that. All of this is yours. Shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that.
Shake down. Yeah, shake it like you in Vegas. Yeah, shake it like you in Vegas. Yeah. All these hoes wanna be like you, so all these hoes your haters. We can take it to the basics. Champagne and fuck faces. I'ma do whatever, like an immigrant that need papers. I'm a dog, baby, oh Lord, baby. Please give me your all, baby. You ain't never been with a freak like me. I'ma soak up all that sauce, baby. Trill shit to my down girl. Ask around, it's my town, girl. I bet this Chanel bag will upside down your frown, girl. Shake it like you on welfare. Why would you go elsewhere? I'ma keep it 100. Fuck me good and you get health care. Let me sample that bomb, that good shit, bomb. Scratch that, let me explode in that time bomb like.
Never mind all these other people. Baby, you the best. I'm gonna throw all this money till I ain't got nothing left. Take your time with me, baby. I want all that I could get. All of this is yours, but I just got one request. Shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that. All of this is yours. Shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that. All of this is yours.
If you keep that shit 100, we can make love on $100,000, baby. Girl, it's all good with me, pick a country. I'm a big boy, I don't play no games, girl, I play with money. I got hoes lying on they pussies and I heal them when I wouldn't. Till she say she got a man, then why she all up in my set? She so sexy, she so fine, just to meet her is a blessing. How your motor, where your trunk is supposed to be, is a stupid question. Is it real or is it fake, babe? Do you mind, girl? Let me touch you. Wow. Pressure on my bankroll, baby, dance, it ain't no stress. She got my dick standing at attention like a fucking army bitch. Let me smash her half the night, then she woke up and cooked me breakfast. I told her I wish I could stay, but I gotta catch a flight to Texas.
Never mind all these other things, baby, you the best. I'm gonna throw all this money till I ain't got nothing left. Take your time with me, baby, I want all that I could get. All of this is yours, but I just got one request. Shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that. All of this is yours. Shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that, shake that. All of this is yours. Feel good.
All black good, all black mad. Fucking with the mob, end up in a black bag. All black killers, all black mad. Fucking with the mob, end up in a black bag. Never midnight, but a nigga dressed in all black. So when a nigga I don't like, better fall the fuck back. I ain't never been a killer, I ain't fucked up at all that. I'd rather watch you niggas suffer, hit you with the ball bat. I ain't sorry like Ruben Studdard, I wanna hit bones crack. If you stay K is a pussy, you rubbing the wrong cat. And I'm something like a condom, you praying that I don't snap. But bitch, if I ever do, you might just get clapped. You wanna know what I feel, bitch, it's nothing. Keep saying my name, telling your girl you gon' rush me. Your family cool, they ain't a part of this eruption. Ain't no beef with your brothers, and that's the end of the discussion. Talking shit on these records is some chaotic, don't do. If I catch you one-on-one, I say the same shit to you. I ain't about to beef and war, cause I'm focused on stacks. If you keep on disrespecting, it's a motherfucking fact. You'll make me take out the all-black gloves, all-black mask. Fucking with the mob, end up in a black trans. All-black gloves, all-black mask. Fucking with the mob, end up in a black mask. All-black gloves, all-black mask. Fucking with the mob, end up in a black trans. All-black killers, all-black mask. Fucking with the mob, end up in a black bag, nigga. Ready for war, black flag and black ticket shirt, black gloves, no fingerprints. We bout to put in work, niggas gon' get hurt. Bodily parts, I'm doing damage. Ain't no love for no outsiders, boy. Look, I'm a savage. Ask yourself a question, nigga. Do you wanna make the news? I leave your ass bullet, riddle, fucked up, bloody and bruised. I make you feel so misused. You could be the main story on this front page, cause I'm sending shots throughout your back and out your rib cage, nigga. I'm fully equipped. This 12 gauge will separate your leg bone from your hip. So nigga, don't even trip. You ain't real to my recollection. Fuck the police. I got a firearm for my protection, bitch. All black gloves, all black mask. Fucking with the mob, end up in the black trash. All black gloves, all black mask. Fucking with the mob, end up in the black mask. All black gloves, all black mask. Fucking with the mob, end up in the black trash. All black killers, all black mask. Fucking with the mob, end up in the black bag, nigga.
Joe Black, nigga, I keep that tool. The K's 9, Mac 11, with them boys like pools. Big stacks, a lot of work, yeah, we fill up the room. Got money, weight it up and bag it down, I get out the broom. That's because we sweeping niggas off they block, they don't listen off they top. Treat them like a bitch and some pumps in the hole top. In my city, you don't listen, then we smoke the Glock, blow his brains out, chop his bones and watch they organs stop. Niggas round here talk too much, yeah, they bout to stop. G Entertainment, Imperial Mob, got the streets on lock. Smoking so much dro of green, it's like we bumper clock. Murk any nigga for penny, even shoes and socks. Murk any nigga for pennies, yeah, we need to stop. Quit all that talking before you make this nigga pop. I'm from New Orleans, yeah, that's where this nigga's hot. Pulling out the all black gloves because we close it shot.
The all black gloves, all black man. Fucking with the mob, end up in the black trash. All black gloves, all black man. Fucking with the mob, end up in the black trash. All black gloves, all black man. Fucking with the mob, end up in the black trash. All black killers, all black man.